It's the big-ass cat of the family walking amongst the rafters of our ceilings that aren't finished, of our ceiling that isn't finished yet. Chasing a moth. Her belly hangs down to the wood. Jump, big girl, jump. Here she goes.
Oh my goodness. Look at her shaking.
Mm-hmm. Leave your tail still.
That helps them balance.
Well, moving it shouldn't.
And their whiskers help them balance.
Those little bitty whiskers help her balance.
Yeah, read about it. It's true. When you cut them off, it messes their balance
We're
up.
showing off our walls that are not finished. The different colors of paneling. Oh, look at her.
Oh, Lord.
She's stretched out. Now what you gonna do? You should have just jumped, sister.
She ain't gonna be able to do nothing now.
You should have just jumped.
Look at that gut. Come here.
The moth is over here now. Oh, poor. You're messing up, Debbie. Let her get out of it.
I don't want her to fall and hurt herself. Shut up.
Jump. She did it.
Wow.
We're going to enter her into the Olympics. Now what you going to do?
Come over here and plop down on you.
Jump on over. You're in the middle of the house. Where's the moth? It's back this way. Silly girl. We look so poor. Look at our poor little house. We got, what is that called right there?
That's the loft over the porch.
No, that blanket hanging on the window.
Oh, that's my camo.
Camo blanket on that window, and striped zebra one over there. And here comes the cat. Whitten, what are you doing? She's fixing to... Don't jump on the bed. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord, help us. Oh Lord. Whitten, what are you doing? Don't jump on us. Oh Lord. Is the phone supposed to be sideways when you're taping, or?
I don't know. I can't keep up with that part.
I hate iPhones. I so want an Android back. What are you doing? Please don't jump. Please don't jump on the mama. Oh, don't jump on the mama. Oh, don't do it. Look at that fat cat. Yeah, go the other way. All of this chasing a moth. And this blanket here behind me is plaid red and blue and white. We have such a lovely home. It will be finished before Christmas. Just call us Go Green. We use whatever we can find. Tell her, Nolan. Tell her, get down. Say, get down, girl. Tell her. Can you say I love you? Say I love you. You bring me your bone. Say I love you. We gotta get that cat down. Jump. Go back the way you came. Jump. There you go. Jump to the other one. There you go. Jump to the other one. One more. One more, honey. No, don't jump on the... Oh, my gosh. All right. We're down. Now we're going to get Nolan to say I love you. Can you say I love you? Say I love you. Say I love... Yeah. Come here. Say I love you. Say I love... Yeah. Say I love you. Say I love you. Come here. 3 times. Come here. Focus. Say I love... There you go. Good girl. That's a good girl. One more time. I love you. Come here. Say I love you. Look at me. I love you. She looked at me. Come here. Nolan. Not the cat. Come here. That cat's gonna tear you up. Say I love you. Nolan. I love you. Come here. Look at me. I love you. Nolan. I love you. Say I love you. Come here. Nolan. 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 Say I love you. Say I love you. Nolan. Say I love you. Nolan. Say I love you. Say it. I love you. Do it. You want to go outside? Say I love you. There you go. Good girl.